we are celebrating the victory of our young boys aged under 16 years old who were champions of Southeast Asia Basketball League, Mr. President. Undefeated basketball team. Na makasama po natin ngayong gabing ito ang koponan na nag-uwi ng mga saysayang pang-anim na sunod na gintong medalya ng Pilipinas sa Sayaba Under 16 Cup, ang Gilas Pilipinas Youth. Kasama po nila Ginoong Pangulo ang aking kaibigan at PBA legend na sina Head Coach L.A. Tenorio at Assistant Coaches Richard Del Rosario at Greg Norwood. Alam niyo po, Ginoong Pangulo, espesyal para sa representasyong ito ang paglahok ng Pilipinas sa torneo ng Sayaba. Dahil tayo po, Ginoong Pangulo, ay naging miyembro ng national team na lumaban sa kauna-unahan na Sayaba Championship noong 1994 sa Johor, Malaysia, sa ilalim po ni Coach Virgil Villavicencio. Kaya naman po, Ginoong Pangulo, buong puso nating binabati at binibigyang pugay ang napakagagaling na mga manlalaro ng Batang Gilas na sinungkit ang gintong medalya sa Sayaba Under 16 Cup. Sila po ay sina Jeremiah Antolin Jr., Nixon Caballero na mula po sa aking alma mater UST, Prince Carino, Everett Cruz, Carl Gabriel de los Reyes, ang MVP ng torneo, Mr. President, Justin Hayare, Mel Cielo Lumagre, Chris Paul Miranda, kasama po niya ang kanyang tatay si Denok Miranda ng ating kaibigan. Kasama din po, Ginoong Pangulo, si Luisito Joel Jolo Pascual, Travis Gabriel Pascual, John Raven Restificar, Ethan David Tanchi, Samuel Nomso Esonchi, Clark Dwayne Kubunti, at Brian Orca Jr. Ginoong Pangulo, Mr. President, these players gave their all and showcased their unparalleled skill and teamwork, sweeping, Mr. President, sweeping all the games and dominating the gold medal match against Indonesia with a commanding 70-40 victory, which we were humbled to have the opportunity to watch live. From their impenetrable defense that turned stops into easy transition points, to their well-executed half-court plays, we believe, Mr. President, that we have a very promising young national team on our hands. We can't wait for more greatness to unfold under the leadership of Coach L.A. Tenorio. Their win also secured our spot in the 2025 FIBA Under 16 Asia Cup, which will take place in Mongolia next month. Muli, Ginoong Pangulo, sa bawat manlalaro ng Batang Gilas, saludo po kami sa inyo. We and the millions of basketball enthusiasts across the world will continue to support you and cheer for you as you proudly play for the Philippines in your next competition. Muli, mabuhay ang Batang Gilas, mabuhay ang mga atletang Pilipino. Maraming salamat, Ginoong Pangulo.
We would like to congratulate the members of the Philippine Men's National Under-17 basketball team, Gilas Pilipinas. Of course, the chair would also like to congratulate the coach, who is one of the superstars of the Philippine Basketball Association, and of course, who hails from the Ateneo. When you're an Atenean, you must be good. Yes, Majority
Yes, Mr. President.
What is your last line?
Yeah, but I was for hold to be in a Jesuit institution longer, for the record. Next to deliver his manifestation support for the Gilas Youth is Senator Christopher Lawrence Bongo. I move that he bring.
Senator Bongo is right.
Mr. President, sports muna tayo. As chairman of the Committee on Sports and the Committee on Youth, as one of the authors of a similar resolution, I would like to congratulate the Gilas Pilipinas Youth National Basketball Team for winning the gold in the FIBA Under 16 Asia Cup Sayaba or the Southeast Asia Basketball Association qualifiers last May 30, 2025. Mr. President, the team dominated the tournament with an undefeated record, demonstrating excellence and superior skills, reflecting the Philippines' deep basketball talent and passion for the sport.
Tatanggalin ko sila. Hindi ko pa nakakamay yung yung mga nagre-recite. Hindi ko wag mo sa
Oo nga, no. Feeling ko. Yung sagot ko. That's why.